think we should listen to?
I don't know, anything you want.
Pop! Oh my gosh, what happened?
Oh my god, you got a flat tire! Don't panic, don't panic! Go
Okay,
panic,
calm down,
panic,
calm down.
panic.
We should go park at a flat,
Okay.
hard surface away from traffic.
Okay, parking. We're parking. Park. Oh my god, what should we do now? I don't know how to fix a flat tire, do you?
No, I think we should call Mickey and Sheila because they just had a flat tire last week.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Cling. Hello?
Hello, Mickey?
Oh hey, what's up?
We have a flat tire. Can you help us?
Oh no, are you okay? Who's with you?
That's all.
Where are you guys?
In between the tree and the grass.
Oh, I know where that is. I'll be there in a sec. Where's Sheila?
catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty.